Your dog or cat is coughing. Maybe they've got a wound in their body and you want to speed healing. Your dog's frequently urinating. She could have a UTI. Consider this awesome kitchen remedy. Into the kitchen cupboard. And out comes this. This is unpasteurized honey. For a coughing dog or cat, give a half a teaspoon per 20 pounds of body weight, 2 to 3 times a day. For wounds, clean the wound first, then apply the honey topically on top of the wound, covering that wound with a bandage. And you're doing that twice a day for 10 to 14 days. If you like tips like these, I encourage you to get a copy of my free book. Links in the bio.